Hey gang, how you going? Okay, the SG900 maiden flight, which hopefully won't end in disaster. Alrighty, so your normal bits and pieces, as I said, check my last video, I've got an unboxing of this, which runs through it. So how you going folks? Yes, this is a bit of a voiceover here. Welcome to what was going to be the first flight of my SG900. However, to cut a long story short, everything you see going on here all went fairly well. However, once I got the drone set up, ready to fly, as you'll see shortly, absolutely nothing happened. So the drone would start up, the props would start spinning, and then there'd be nothing at all. So I started scratching my head. I tested everything, I had a look at everything, I scratched my head even more. So the thing is, I thought, well, maybe there's something wrong with the actual controller unit itself. I haven't actually flown this, but I'm thinking that's the only thing that's left to sort out. So as you can see, it's pairing fine. There's footage coming through to my mobile device. If I do the joystick startup, she starts up no problem, but when I go to take off, as you can see, yeah, nothing, absolutely nothing. All I could do was start and stop the drone. So I'm thinking there's nothing left to do. I've tested all the settings, I've looked at the app, I've looked at the battery power, I've looked at everything. So the next thing to do, yeah, is to pull the actual control unit apart. So that's what I do shortly. So let's head back to the workshop and have a look inside the actual remote to see if there's something wrong with it. There you go. And well, today started off being a happy day. As you just saw from that quick intro, I went to fly my SG900 for the first time. Yeah. Okay, this is what happened. I won't worry about connecting the phone. Right, so all looks good. We're ready for takeoff as normal, except hello, it's not taken off. I've turned the GPSs off, the gyros, everything's connected as it should be. Nothing's working though. The only thing it's allowing me to do is to basically stop it and start it. I can't do anything. Speeds, landings, nothing. Absolutely nothing works. Yeah, maybe something's happened to the toggle switch here. Maybe. So I've already taken the screws out, 6 screws in the back, and it just pulls apart like so. Okay, I still need to get under this circuit board here, but while we're here I can just show you the antennas, which don't actually have anything connected to them at all. So this is the antenna here, I believe. Here it is there. So I might actually get that outside of the remote for better coverage. But first of all, we've got to get it going. Alright, let's see if we can get under the circuit board. Cue the editing. So yeah, I proceed to pull apart the main board there, check out underneath it, look at the controller sticks, or the throttle, what's it called, potentiometer, something like that, to see if something's broken. So I'm just looking for a broken part, or maybe a wire out, or some sort of sign as to why it's not throttling forward and up. I found nothing wrong with it at all, so I put it back together again. However, I put it back together with those little buttons in the wrong place, so I had to pull it apart again after that. But anyway, so I put it back together, fired it up again, and it still did the same thing. So then I started hunting around on the internet, and I found what it could possibly be is the geomagnetism correction had somehow failed. So what that means is you need to recalibrate the geomagnetism on the drone, which is simply by starting the drone up. Left stick goes northwest, right stick goes northeast, until you see the flashing lights flash quickly underneath. They'll flash about 3 or 4 times in quick succession, and then there'll be a longer pause and flash again. So once I did the correction, you spin the quad around clockwise on its horizontal plane, and then you face the quad to the ground and spin it clockwise a couple of times on its vertical plane. And once I did that and restarted the drone up, yeah, guess what? Much to my amazement, it took off and flew as it should have. So I'm not sure how the geomagnetism failed, but it failed. So I'm glad it's going again, which is why I posted that video you see up on the screen now. To the top right, I posted that one yesterday of its first flight, so everything's running well. And I just thought I'd post this video as a bit of a tip for you guys, if at all you do have an SG900 or a similar quad that's doing the same type of thing. Yeah, fix the geomagnetism correction up on it, because there's a chance that it's failed and it just won't take off. So I hope you got something from this, guys. Thumbs up, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys real soon on your channel. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the sky. Bye for now.